So I picked this beauty up a couple of years ago. I fired about 1,000 rounds through it, and I just threw it in my safe. But she has been rediscovered. So today, I would take this head turner to another level. So the Masterpiece Arms Defender 30T is equipped with a fake or phony suppressor that really helps to balance out the weight of the pistol. The MPA Defender 30T is also equipped with a 5.5-inch threaded barrel with a thread pitch of 1/2 by 28. The MPA Defender 30T has a traditional top cocking design, which essentially makes it ambidextrous, or ambi. The sights on the MPA Defender 30T are fully adjustable. The MPA Defender sports a white dot front sight and a blacked out rear sight. Chambered in 9mm, the MPA Defender 30T is a direct blowback pistol. And direct blowback pistols are renowned for their simplicity and reliability. The MPA Defender 30T comes equipped with a safety lever and an integrated Picatinny rail, which easily facilitates the mounting of lights, lasers, or other accessories. The MPA Defender 30T is equipped with a polymer grip, which has decent texture on the side panels, and the finger grooves ensure that you get a good purchase. The Masterpiece Arms Defender 30T features a metal magazine release, and it comes with 3 standard capacity magazines. The MPA Defender 30T weighs in at approximately 55 ounces, and it has an overall length of approximately 11 inches. The MPA Defender 30T comes with a TSA-approved polymer carrying case as well. So today I wanted to share a couple of upgrades that will make my MPA Defender 30T a little more useful for me. So first up, we have the Strike Industries Dual Folding Adapter Stabilizer, or Pistol Brace. The Strike Industries Dual Folding Adapter Stabilizing Brace offers unmatched convenience and versatility, compatible with all pistols featuring a rear Picatinny rail. This brace folds both left and right, ensuring flexibility without the need for reconfiguration. A secure locking mechanism maintains stability in the folded position while providing rapid deployment. I will be pairing the Strike Industries Dual Folding Adapter with the A3 Industries MPA Defender Rear Stock Adapter. The A3 Industries MPA Defender Rear Stock Adapter features a 3-slot Magpul aluminum Picatinny 1913 rail. The A3 adapter is machined from 6061 T6 aluminum and anodized in low gloss black. I am very satisfied with the new look of the Masterpiece Arms Defender 30T.